What's poppin' with you dogs? Today we're checking out this JBL GO 4. Now from the looks of it, this thing is kind of small, but knowing JBL, this thing probably is still gonna have some good quality sound to it. Let's open up the box. Hey, we got a Type-C charger. I like the color. I love this color. This blue and orange. Nice little hook right here, little handle to hold on to, carry this thing around. You know, this is very grippy here. Little buttons on the side. Let's hold the power button. Ooh, you heard that, right? I believe we're searching for some Bluetooth here. So let's connect it. Look at that, right off the bat, connect. How cool is that? Lets us know that we also have an app. Go ahead and download that as well. So let's go ahead and do a sound test. This thing has my dogs barking at so loud. Holy smokes. All right, we got beautiful big buttons at the top there. Very nice, get your power, your Bluetooth. This button right here lets you cycle through different equalizer presets. Literally the easiest connectivity I've ever had. I popped right up on my phone, told me to download the app, and I did, and boom, it's connected. It was that easy. This JBL speaker, this JBL GO 4, got it on Amazon, 40 bucks. Can't beat it. If you are a golfer, I highly recommend this thing. This thing is loud, it's nice, it's compact. You can put it right in your golf bag and bring it right out when you guys are out there on the golf course and you're jamming out to your favorite music. All right, that's it for this video, guys. I appreciate you coming by, checking this out. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.
Okay. Okay.